Did you know a simple cabbage could transform your gut health and prevent gastritis? Cabbage is an extraordinary vegetable that has been celebrated for centuries for both its taste and its powerful health benefits. It is a nutrient-dense food, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making it essential for anyone looking to maintain a healthy digestive system. One of the most significant and well-researched benefits of cabbage is its ability to support intestinal balance and prevent gastritis. Gastritis, a condition characterized by inflammation of the stomach lining, affects millions of people worldwide and can cause symptoms such as nausea, bloating, vomiting, and general discomfort. Incorporating cabbage into your diet regularly can help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and promote overall gut health, which is essential for preventing and managing gastritis naturally. Cabbage contains several bioactive compounds, including glucosinolates, which are known for their potent antioxidant properties. Antioxidants play a critical role in neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to chronic inflammation. By consuming cabbage, you are providing your stomach lining with natural protection against oxidative stress, which can lead to irritation and gastritis. In addition, cabbage is rich in vitamin C, an essential nutrient that strengthens the immune system and aids in tissue repair. When the stomach lining is damaged, vitamin C helps accelerate healing, reduces inflammation, and improves the overall resilience of your digestive tract. Fiber is another key component of cabbage that supports gut health. Dietary fiber adds bulk to your stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation, which is a common cause of digestive discomfort. Regular consumption of fiber-rich foods like cabbage helps prevent conditions such as diverticulitis and hemorrhoids while ensuring smooth intestinal function. Fiber also acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. By feeding your gut the right nutrients, you can improve overall digestive efficiency and prevent harmful bacterial overgrowth, which is often linked to gastritis and other gastrointestinal disorders. One of the most effective ways to consume cabbage for gut health is through cabbage juice. Studies have shown that fresh cabbage juice can promote healing of the stomach lining and reduce the risk of ulcers. Drinking a small glass of cabbage juice on an empty stomach provides concentrated vitamins, antioxidants, and amino acids, particularly L-glutamine, which is known to support the regeneration of the stomach lining. While cabbage juice may not be appealing to everyone on its own, it can be combined with a small amount of carrot or apple juice to enhance the flavor without diminishing its health benefits. Cabbage also offers anti-inflammatory properties that are particularly beneficial for individuals with gastritis. Chronic inflammation of the stomach lining can lead to pain, discomfort, and even more serious digestive conditions over time. The phytonutrients found in cabbage, especially in red and purple varieties, help reduce inflammation, irritation, and support healing. These compounds work synergistically with other nutrients in cabbage, such as vitamin K and vitamin B6, to maintain optimal digestive health. Another remarkable benefit of cabbage is its role in supporting beneficial gut bacteria. Fermented forms of cabbage, like sauerkraut and kimchi, contain probiotics, which are live microorganisms that help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Probiotics improve intestinal function, enhance nutrient absorption, and prevent the overgrowth of harmful bacteria. Including fermented cabbage in your diet even a few times per week can significantly enhance gut health and contribute to overall wellness. Furthermore, fermented cabbage can be stored easily and adds a flavorful, tangy component to a wide variety of meals. In addition to promoting gut health, cabbage is also low in calories but high in nutrients, making it a perfect choice for weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces pressure on the stomach and esophagus, which can help prevent acid reflux, a common contributor to gastritis. By integrating cabbage into your meals, you can enjoy nutrient-dense, satisfying dishes without consuming excess calories. Its versatility allows it to be included in salads, soups, stir-fries, fermented dishes, and even as a substitute for tortillas and wraps, providing endless possibilities for delicious, gut-friendly meals. 5 ways to prepare cabbage. 1. Cabbage salad with lemon dressing. Chop fresh green cabbage finely and combine it with shredded carrots and sliced cucumbers. In a separate bowl, mix olive oil, lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Toss the vegetables with the dressing until evenly coated. This salad is rich in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants, offering a refreshing way to support digestion and maintain intestinal balance. 2. Stir-fried cabbage with garlic. Heat a small amount of olive or coconut oil in a pan over medium heat. Add minced garlic and until fragrant. Then add chopped cabbage. Stir-fry for 5 to 7 minutes until tender but still crisp. Season with salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. This dish preserves most nutrients and provides anti-inflammatory compounds that aid in gastritis prevention. 3. Cabbage soup. In a large pot, combine chopped cabbage, diced onions, carrots, celery, and low-sodium vegetable broth. Add herbs like thyme, rosemary, and a bay leaf. Simmer for 20 to 30 minutes until all vegetables are tender. This soothing soup is easy to digest, supports intestinal health, and is an excellent option for anyone experiencing digestive discomfort. For fermented cabbage, sauerkraut, thinly slice cabbage and sprinkle it with salt. Massage the cabbage until it releases its natural juices, then pack it tightly into a clean jar. Allow it to ferment at room temperature for 5 to 7 days. Tasting periodically. Fermented cabbage is rich in probiotics, which strengthen gut microbiota, improve digestion, and enhance immune function. 5. Cabbage wraps. Use large cabbage leaves as a low-carb alternative to tortillas. Blanch the leaves briefly in boiling water to make them flexible. Fill each leaf with a mixture of lean protein, cooked vegetables, and brown rice or quinoa. Roll tightly and secure with a toothpick. These wraps are gut-friendly, nutrient-dense, and perfect for a healthy, balanced meal. Cabbage is one of the most versatile and nutritious vegetables available today. Beloved for its crisp texture, slightly peppery flavor, and adaptability in a wide range of recipes. Cabbage is more than just a simple leafy green. It is a nutritional powerhouse that offers numerous health benefits, particularly for digestion, immunity, and overall well-being. In this article, we will explore 10 incredible benefits of cabbage, explaining why including it in your diet regularly can be a transformative step toward optimal health. 1. Promotes digestive health. One of the most well-known benefits of cabbage is its ability to promote digestive health. Cabbage is rich in dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Fiber adds bulk to the stool, which facilitates smooth passage through the intestines, reducing the risk of digestive disorders like diverticulitis and hemorrhoids. Moreover, cabbage contains compounds that support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. These probiotics, particularly found in fermented cabbage like sauerkraut and kimchi, help maintain a balanced gut microbiome, improving nutrient absorption and overall digestive function. By including cabbage in your diet, you support your intestines, reduce bloating, and promote long-term gastrointestinal wellness. 2. Prevents gastritis and stomach ulcers. Cabbage contains a unique compound known as S-methylmethane, often referred to as vitamin U. This nutrient has been associated with the prevention and healing of stomach ulcers. Vitamin U helps protect the stomach lining from damage caused by excessive acid and supports the regeneration of gastric tissues. Drinking fresh cabbage juice has been studied for its effectiveness in accelerating the healing of peptic ulcers and alleviating symptoms of gastritis. By including cabbage in your meals, either raw, cooked, or as juice, you can reduce inflammation, soothe the stomach lining, and support long-term digestive health. 3. Rich in antioxidants. Cabbage is packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C, polyphenols, and flavonoids, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, contributing to inflammation, aging, and chronic diseases. By consuming cabbage regularly, you provide your body with a natural defense system against oxidative stress. Antioxidants also play a critical role in protecting your stomach and intestines, reducing the risk of gastritis and other digestive disorders. Red cabbage, in particular, contains anthocyanins, pigments that provide potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. For supports heart health, cabbage is not only beneficial for the digestive system, but also for cardiovascular health. Its high content of potassium helps regulate blood pressure, while its fiber helps reduce cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract and promotes its elimination from the body. Additionally, the antioxidants in cabbage reduce inflammation in blood vessels, improving circulation and lowering the risk of heart disease. Incorporating cabbage into your diet can contribute to a healthier heart, better blood pressure regulation, and improved overall cardiovascular function. 5. Strengthens immunity. Cabbage is an excellent source of vitamin C, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in immune system function. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells, which defend the body against infections and illnesses. Moreover, cabbage contains other micronutrients, including vitamin K, vitamin B6, and folate, all of which support immune health. Consuming cabbage regularly can enhance your body's natural defense mechanisms, helping you fight off common illnesses like colds and flu while promoting faster recovery. Fermented cabbage also provides probiotics that improve gut health, which is closely linked to immune function. 6. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to numerous diseases, including gastritis, arthritis, and cardiovascular disorders. Cabbage contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, such as sulforaphane and camphorol, which help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Sulforaphane is particularly notable for its ability to inhibit inflammatory enzymes and protect the stomach lining. Regular consumption of cabbage, both raw and fermented, can help manage inflammation, reduce pain and discomfort, and support long-term health. These properties make cabbage an essential food for anyone seeking natural anti-inflammatory solutions. 7. Supports weight management. Cabbage is naturally low in calories, while being high in fiber, making it an ideal food for weight management. Fiber promotes feelings of fullness, helping to control appetite and prevent overeating. Additionally, cabbage is nutrient-dense, providing essential vitamins and minerals without adding excessive calories. Including cabbage in meals such as salads, soups, stir-fries, and wraps can support a balanced diet and healthy weight. Its versatility allows it to replace higher-calorie ingredients in recipes, making it easier to maintain a calorie-conscious lifestyle. 8. Improves skin health. The antioxidants and vitamins in cabbage are beneficial not only for internal health but also for the skin. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which maintains skin elasticity and reduces signs of aging. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory compounds in cabbage help reduce skin irritation and promote healing. Applying cabbage juice topically or consuming cabbage regularly can improve skin texture, prevent acne, and support overall skin health. Fermented cabbage also contains probiotics that influence the gut-skin axis, meaning better gut health can directly contribute to healthier skin. 9. Regulates blood sugar levels. Cabbage has a low glycemic index, which means it does not cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Its fiber content slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, making it an excellent vegetable for individuals with diabetes or those seeking to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Additionally, compounds in cabbage may improve insulin sensitivity, supporting overall metabolic health. By incorporating cabbage into your daily meals, you can enjoy a nutritious and filling vegetable that helps regulate glucose levels naturally and supports long-term metabolic balance. 10. Supports bone health. Cabbage is rich in vitamin K, a nutrient critical for bone health and calcium metabolism. Vitamin K activates proteins that help bind calcium to the bone matrix, improving bone density and reducing the risk of fractures. Cabbage also contains other bone-supporting nutrients, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Regular consumption of cabbage, alongside a balanced diet rich in other minerals, can help maintain strong, healthy bones and prevent conditions like osteoporosis.